So here in the previous example, that is D get, D maximum and D minimum is completed. The next one is a D count function. So how to apply the D count function? See, here I will show that is the D count function is, for the D count function, the function starts with the equals to sign, D count, then the database is the argument, field is the argument, then criteria. Now here it is displaying 9. So D count is normally in the statistical function count also, it is counting all the numerical cells. It is counting the cells which has the numbers, only that it is counting. So which of the columns we can apply for the D count? The serial number we can apply, otherwise we can apply the sales. Only any two columns we can apply in this database. So here that is serial number or sales, any one we can apply here. Now see, is equals to D count. D count is a function. Then the database I selected, that is from A2 to D11. Then what is a field? Serial number is a field. Then what is a criteria? Sales is a criteria. Is it displayed 9? The count function returns the answer, that is 9. Is it right? Now if I am changing this, see here now, is equals to D count, then the database, comma, I'll give the field as a sales, and then the criteria is serial number. What it is displayed? And the answer is 1. Because in the serial number, that is 2. In the criteria range what I selected, no, that is 2 is there. So only one product is there, has the serial number, that is 2. If I'm changing here, see now, if I'm removing that, automatically the answer it is displayed, it is 9. The answer it is displayed here, it is 9. See now, here for this, if I'm changing this, sales is more than 200 if I'm using it. More than 100 or 150 if I'm using it. Then what is the answer here? For this one, D count. This is a D count function I applied. D count function what I applied, no? For that, see, in the criteria, for the criteria, sales where the cells is the more than 150. So how many cells are there? More than sales is 150. This is 1, 2. Only 2 cells are there, so that it is displayed. Criteria. And for here, and it is counting the numerical cells, the criteria. What is the criteria? What I give? Now, if I am changing this criteria, see, if I am changing this 100. See the answer now? It is displayed 3 now. It is displayed the answer here now. That is 3 because more than 100 I give, not equals to 100. If I am changing it, is equals to. Is it changed here, D count? See the answer? Is it? This is about the D count. Then what is dsum? What is the next function? Dsum function. So in the dsum function also, the syntax is database, field, criteria. So on the criteria, based on the condition, it has to perform the sum of cells on field. Now, ಏನು field ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಆ field ಗೆ ಏನು criteria ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು sum ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. Only the sum function is performing the sum or addition of all the cells which are there in the range of cells. So sum if means sum if function apply ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Sum if function ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? In the sum if function, there also we are selecting the columns. and the criteria, then the sum, which of the column has to perform the sum, no, even that range we are applying with the sum if function. dsum nalli enaಗ್ತದೆ. So here database we should use, the field, then the criteria. See the example here. What is the criteria here? What is the criteria? Database is same. What is the field now? The field I selected, that is sales. Sales. If I'm changing this one, see, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ change ಮಾಡಿದೆ sales. What is the answer? See here, it is a sum of, that is sales. It is sum of sales that is in the database. It is displayed 450. See, what is the condition here? What is the criteria? That is for the sales. It is, that is for the place. See that this one here, see D2 to D11, that is the database is there. D2 is the sales, but what is the criteria? Criteria is Hubli. The place Hubli is there, no, only for the Hubli. What is the total sales of the Hubli? It is total sales of the Hubli. In the same way, I'll apply here. See, I'll write total sales of Dharwad. Are you getting it? Total sales of Dharwad. So here it is, dsum is a function. What is the database? This is the range. What it should perform? The sales, it has to be performed the total of sales, that is the field. What is the criteria? Place should be Dharwad. So here place should be Dharwad. If I'm changing it as a Dharwad, now it is displayed because Hubli it is. If I'm changing this one and the values, how it is in a capital letter, no, same values, same in the case we should write. See, what is the answer here now? This is 300 because the criteria is Dharwad. I'll take one more example. Total sales of Gadag I'll take. Okay, Gadag. How to write? First what I'll do, I'll change this one. Gadag. And it is in a capital letter, no? Gadag. Okay. Then here, how to write the function now? Is equals to, dsum is a function. Then the first argument is database. Then comma, the field is a sales. Then comma, criteria is Gadag. I want the sum of sales for the Gadag place. See the answer, is it 50? See now, here see the answer 50, is it Gadag? See now, if I'm changing this one, see, is it changed here? Is it changing? Gadag, if I'm changing this one in the database, if I'm changing the values, it affects for your formula. See, Gadag, this is 50. See, 100, 200, that is 300 and 50. So here it is displayed the 350 now. This is total sales of Gadag. Next, one more function is there, no, that is average. This we applied dsum function. dsum function I applied. Okay. Next is d-average. D-average. How we can apply the d-average then? First we'll go for the function syntax. D-average, database, field, criteria. For all the database functions, the syntax is same. It is very easy. Where we have the one example what I gave here, that is d-average. D-average, I'll write here average. D-average. See the answer here, D-average. The database first thing, and that is sales, it has to perform the average. And what is the criteria? The which of the place or which of the product we are selecting here. Here is equals to, I'll take the one more example. D average is a function, then this is a database, comma, then the sales is a field to perform the average of a sales. Which is the product? That I'll take now. See, I'll based on the product I'll do it. See the answer? Is it the same answer? It is displayed now because here it is for the product what I selected. If I'm changing it as a Lenovo, what is the product? For the Lenovo product, what is the average? So that has to be performed now. See here, for the Lenovo, where it is Lenovo, that is 25, it is 70, 95. 95 by 2, that is, it's right now, the answer is same now. If I'm changing here, see, if I'm changing it, automatically it is values are changing here. Is it? If I'm changing this one, if the values are changing in database, it affects for your formulas answers. The average function. See here. Here, average of, I'll write here, average of Gadag sales, I'll write. Gadag sales. That will apply. So, is equals to D average. Then, the table I should select first. Table I'll select. Then, comma operator. Then for the Gadag, no, for the sales, it has to be performed. So here sales is the my field. And what is the condition? That is Gadag. Place I have selected now. The criteria is for the place. See the answers of the Gadag where it is. This is 100, 200, 300 it is, 350. 300 by 3 means it is displayed the answer correct, no? Average of Gadag sales. Average of Gadag sales. Here it is. Is it right? So these are the all the database functions. One more example I'll take. D average is equals to D average. Then first we should select our database. Sales is a field and here I'll take place is a criteria. I'll change it one. Here see, I'll go for the, if I'm changing this, if it is a Gadag is there, no, if I'm changing it for the Dharwad. If I'm changing for the Dharwad. See the answer, is it changed? Because for the Dharwad, the value is 100 here and we don't have any other place here as a Dharwad. If I'm changing it, here it is. If I'm changing, see the answer now, where we applied. Is it right? This is for the, where I have the Dharwad, that is a place. So this is a average of Dharwad sales. Is it right? Here it is a 200 and one more 300 it is there. So 300 by 2 only for the 2 places, where means into the, for the 2 the products it is. For the Dharwad apple is there and for the Dharwad Journey. Only for those 2 products the sales is 300. So it is displayed the average here. So this is about the database functions. This you can apply when we have the lakh together records are there or maybe 1000 together records are there. In that we can apply it. Is it clear? See here. Now it is displayed num. Why? Because the get value is applying for your the unique values. Yes. Is it displayed now? Because I removed this value, no? Yes. Now it is displayed. If I am removing this any values, It is displayed. It is not displayed anything because the serial number, if it is a blank, then what is the answer it should display? The field value I removed now here. So if I am writing any of the value for the serial number in the criteria, for that criteria, for the serial number 8, what is the sales value? That is 150, that it is displayed. So this completes about the database functions.